Welcome in everyone to the channel. It's Michael Tharp EDU. It starts with you. We're going to do a quick video today claiming a free airdrop. If you guys have been following along, we staked Dimension. I don't remember, like a month or two ago, and we got Dimension for free for staking something. I don't even remember at this point. I think it was something on Cosmos. But this is why you guys want to stake stuff, because then you just keep getting multiple airdrops, and it's like an avalanche. So Dimension's weird because it's on the Cosmos chain, but it uses like Ethereum addresses or something. So anyways, I have 80 Dimension staked here, and I think I have another wallet, but I'm just gonna obviously keep these staked. So let's go ahead and claim this. This is NIM Network. It's an AI gaming platform. So we are at their official Twitter. Always be careful clicking on links in Twitter. So we can go to claim.nim.network, and I think you're going to want to make sure you have a VPN on. As usual, if you live in America, they want to keep us poor. So we're going to go ahead and click enter. So you only have 13 days to get this done. So I think I'm going to copy my address, paste it in here. Alright, you are eligible for 88 NIM. It will be transferred to this wallet at the token generation event. No signing is required. Stay tuned on X, Discord, or Medium. Alright, so I'm eligible for a DIM staker, and I think you get about the same amount that you staked. So that's why I had 80 DIM staked, I got 88. So that's it. That's going to be dropped right into your wallet. So when you see NIM, you'll know that it's not like a scam token or anything. So I'm going to try to figure out what my other address is that I'm staking Dimension. But that's it, guys. Make sure you're staking. Oh, and let me show you guys one more thing. If you guys have been following along what I'm doing, I was big on staking Pith. Pith is an oracle, so it's kind of like Chainlink, but it's up and coming. So we staked our Pith around here when it was, I think, 50 or 60 cents. And it's gone all the way up now to 110. But there's one thing I forgot to tell you guys to do. So, I mean, I still think it's worth staking Pith. I think we still have a long ways to go. Okay, so if you scroll all the way down on Pith's website, you'll see staking here. So Pith stakers and governance participants can now map their EVM wallet address to their Solana address. Click here to set up your Pith profile. Okay, so once you get to staking, that's staking.pith.network. You can see, try to get 500 staked, but in my video, I did not tell you guys to do this. You want to go to your profile and paste in your EVM address, so basically your Ethereum address, and click submit. I missed out on an airdrop because I didn't do this. So make sure you guys do that when you do stake Pith, so that you're eligible for all those airdrops. All right, I think that's it, guys. Just a nice little free airdrop for you. Take massive action, guys. There's so much free money out here. It's crazy. All right, lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.